I got the daily rewards, guys. So yeah, and then I got like that the new like collab, and from here is like that stuff. But from the daily quest, I got like a unit. So it's like I didn't unlock it yet, but it's called this. It's a Kaworu and cat. I want to see what this does. So um, let's see. Alright, let's do something. Massive damage to black enemies. Okay. The single strike and stuff. Okay, that's pretty cool. Black enemy. That'll be useful. That'll be useful. Okay. Let's see. Is there anything else here? Oh, there's not much use. Let me see what else is that. Like that. Exclusive battle. Okay, let's see this. State of. Let's try this. What is that? What is that? What the heck is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, that's well, it was so good. See what the mission is like. Treasure festival before, but let me just see. Evangel? Okay, so let me see. Nerve. Okay, let me just upgrade these. Evangelion. That means that might be like anime that I don't know. But Okay, let's see this. Oh no. Why is this thing already here? It's actually kind of fast. Why is it actually fast? Why is it actually kind of fast? Oh no. I'm not gonna run away. I wanna run away. I'm not gonna
I am really another Bahamut
Bro, this is actually finally. Shinji and cat. Cat food and one leadership. Oh, let's see that Shinji and cat. Oh, that's a rare cat. Alright, let's see that and let's see it. Ooh, this is cool. This looks cool. Wait. Let me see. Let me see this one. First, let me see this Kaworu and cat. Max form. Oh, plug suit Kaworu. And let me see the rare. I don't know if I have enough. Shinji and cat, okay. Okay, that's it. Let me just get the menu. Cat guide. Rare. Alright. Ooh, let's go. Okay, so that's just gonna be one part of this event. So yeah, that's it of this video, and okay, bye.